Many patients are nervous about falling and scared to pick objects up off the floor. So today we're working through preparatory activities that rebuild strength, confidence, and control before we ever have them reach all the way down. Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm the PT, and together with Nicole, the OT, we help other PTs and OTs save time, write defensible notes, and design treatments that actually improve function. So let's walk through the progressions to help our patients pick up objects from the floor without the fear that is normally present, especially when they are scared to fall. So, our first activity is the basic squat. We will have our feet hip width apart, core engaged, and control the movement down and up. Here we're assessing stability, eccentric control, and confidence in the movement. Then we have a squat with the ground touch. Have the patient reach with one hand towards the floor and then come back up. You can modify the reach and the tolerance, and they can hold on for support if need be. Then we have the modified clean with a light weight. It can be a small medicine ball, therapy weight, or even a bottle. Cue them to lift from their legs, keep the load close, and maintain a neutral spine. This builds power over the lower body and reinforces safe mechanics. And here's how to document it. Therapists implemented progressive squatting and lifting tasks to improve lower extremity strength, trunk stability, and safety with floor-level object retrieval. Provided verbal cues for pacing, posture, and safe mechanics. Avoid writing. Patient practice picking objects up off the floor. I hope that was helpful. Make sure to check the description below to sign up for a free balance framework. We have different treatment ideas and the documentation to back it up. It's in the description below. And to make sure to follow us at the Note Ninjas for more treatment ideas and documentation tips.